Hi there. Today we are going to learn about essential characteristics of design thinking, and we're going to know these characteristics that is for design thinking. And some of these essential characteristics of design thinking include, so we're going to see these characteristics. Include these characteristics because it is important to know, and when you are preparing a project or an activity using this method, or if you want to work in all your classes with design thinking, you should know how to create your activities, how to develop them, and what are these characteristics. These are the aspects that you need to take into account for creating your activities. So design thinking is a method where students learn to work as a team. Students analyze different situations and find a solution for different types of problems. So that's the basic, okay? The general idea of this method. So this is collaborative work as well. So you can apply it in your classroom. Here you are going to find an audio in which you're going to learn about design thinking. Okay, but one of or another characteristic of this one is that we develop empathy. So working with others generate empathy between the group. So students learn to be or learn about empathy because they are going to share ideas, they are going to work together as a group. So this one is really good. Collaboration. Students learn to work collaboratively because they share ideas, they work together, finding the same goal, achieving the same goal. That's the big goal, and they have to get their minds on the same way. Creativity, students develop their skills, and we work with multiple intelligences. We develop different skills in our students, and they work and they learn how to work as a team. Questioning, students develop critical thinking. That's another characteristic of this method. And how important is design thinking in our classrooms? Students can experiment because they learn from their mistakes. They are going to experiment different situations. So if something doesn't work, so they can try again in order to get the results. So here you're going to answer a question. It's really easy. Just what do you think? Just another characteristic that you think that is part of design thinking. What do you think? Continuous improvement, lazy students, a waste of time. So that's a quiz for you. Okay, so this is characteristics. Here we learn about characteristics of design thinking, and you are going to see by yourself when you are going to apply this method in your classrooms, in your activities. So I motivate you to try this method. This is really good. You can explore your creativity as teacher as well, because you are going to think about your students and you imagine how they are going to finish with this method. So this is design thinking. So it's your turn to apply it in your classroom.